I have a lot of empty products that I want to share with you guys and kind of quickly review. Some of these I purchased myself, some of them I received as gifts, some of them I got from brands, but I thought I could go through and like give my honest feedback now that I've used literally the entire product. Also, I scratched my neck. That's all I did. My neck gets really red. It was itchy. I scratched it. That's all this is. The first product I'm going to review is the Rare Beauty Setting Spray. I got this for Mother's Day last year from Jessie as a gift, and I truly loved it. It works really well. It lasts forever. I just finished this up in January and I got it for Mother's Day, so definitely got my use out of it. I think it works amazing. I will say there are a lot of great setting sprays out there, and I have found options that are a little more affordable, but if you want something that's just like really good quality and you're willing to spend an extra couple bucks, it's great. Okay, this e.l.f. Power Grip, I think that's what it is, primer, finished that up, and I bought this myself. I loved it. Literally, it's so sticky that like when I prime my face, I can like stick this vial to my face. So I would definitely repurchase. Very affordable. I'm using a different one right now by e.l.f. just to try it out, but honestly, you can't go wrong with this. The next two products are from L'Occitane. I got this as a gift from Avery for Christmas, and I love these products. I love them. I love them. They're a little pricey. This is a splurge. This is a present, a treat for yourself, but this shower oil, not only does it smell great, it goes on great. My skin is so soft and smooth. It's great for shaving, and like it's just a luxury to yourself in the shower. I also used up all of their milk concentrate lotion. I love this vial. It's glass and it's so cute just sitting on your counter. And I love the smell of it. It smells the same as the shower oil. And I'm not gonna lie, I used this whole jar in just over a month because I was putting it on morning and night and sometimes in the afternoon just to like refresh myself. So good. Next product I was sent is from Bloom Effects, and they are the Tulip Dewdrops. I love these. I think they're amazing. I would repurchase them hands down. They smell great. They work great. The packaging is really cute. I like the vial, and they just give you like a nice little underlying glow. The next product are these Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This thing lasted me forever. Literally, I had like 3 eye creams lined up to use, and I just kept using it because I don't like to waste things. This works really well. I like it. I don't know if I would necessarily repurchase it right off the bat. It has that cooling effect. It does have a brightening effect, but I feel like when I was putting it on, it kind of almost left like a little bit, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it almost left kind of like a film. I know it's supposed to be glowy, but it's almost like too glowy. So it was good. I do really like it. I'm not in love with it. The next product I am in love with, and that is the L'Oreal Glotion. This is so inexpensive, very affordable, and I love these. I bought this probably almost a year ago and I just finished it up. Granted, sometimes I'll try other things, so like I'll put it on hold for a little bit, but I did use the whole thing. I would repurchase it. It's nice just to wear by itself or underneath makeup. It gives you like this little subtle warm glow. And the last product that I bought are these Maybelline Last Sensational, I think this is the waterproof. Yeah, waterproof. I've been wearing waterproof mascaras lately and I just seem to like them a little better because then I'm constantly not like wiping black off my eyes when I get like, you know, watery eyes. This worked great. I have been taking good care of my lashes and brows, and you guys have been noticing that my lashes have grown quite a bit, which they have, but using a good mascara like this one, like it just is a game changer. I'm using a different one by Maybelline right now, and I don't like it as much as the Last Sensational, so definitely would like repurchase this one. And those are all of my empties. I am just going to now throw them away because I've been keeping them in my closet for a while, but I will do another empties video in the future.